How much does cooktop repair cost in 2026? Here's the breakdown for both gas and electric cooktops. Gas cooktop repairs. Igniter replacement, 100 to 200 per burner. Spark module, 150 to 300. Gas valve, 200 to 350. Knob or valve stem, 50 to 150. Electric cooktop repairs. Radiant element, 150 to 300 per burner. Infinite switch, 100 to 200. Glass top replacement, 300 to 700. Wiring harness, 150 to 250. Induction cooktop repairs. Induction coil, 200 to 400 per zone. Control board, 300 to 500. These are more expensive because the technology is more complex. Diagnostic fee, 75 to 120. Applied toward the repair if you move forward with us. When to repair versus replace. Cooktops last 15 to 20 years. If yours is under 10 and needs a repair under 300, always repair. If the glass top is cracked on a 12-year-old unit and replacement is 600, buy a new cooktop. Built-in cooktops versus range-top cooktops. Built-in cooktops are separate units installed in the countertop. Range-top cooktops are part of a full range or stove. Built-in units cost more to replace because you need an exact fit model. Cooktop repair on all brands and types. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.